All right, here's the last one, you guys. This one's for sale. 43,000, Rick. 612-363-4505. 57. Here they come. It's an old dog. He's running along. It's a Nova wagon. Don't see too many of those. So let's head back. Get picked up by Sue Ellen. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I can go that way, but a lot of music going on down there. Well, it wouldn't be a big deal, but just trying to get on there. You get music going on in the background, and then other crap going on. So a lot of highway plates. Got the best seat in the house. Where are you guys going?
Well, it looks like...
What year is this truck?
63.
How many miles got on?
Nice.
How many miles do you have on?
How many miles, dear?
Well, somewhere around 67,000.
Just breaking it in. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta like it. A lot of people don't even look twice at trucks. I'm not a big truck guy, but I always like when I see these old ones. I do. A lot of guys don't. I'm more like Cadillac or Impalas, but I like it when people take care of history. Good job. Nice truck. I mean, I'm not into those, but he's taking care of it. So you can hear that music over there. So look at this bad boy. You're okay. I'm just videoing. You go ahead. Look at that bad boy. I'm coming up to the other one where you guys saw the nice holiday. I think I'll take a left and walk to my left. Look at that bad boy. I'll take the car and the lady, okay, for a ride. I'll be able to see you in a couple years after that, okay?
You ain't got enough.
What?
You ain't got enough for the second one.
Oh, you wouldn't. Don't judge a man by his cover. My body's monetized for a reason.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not penny wise, dollar foolish. I'm dollar foolish and $100 bills. What year is this bad boy? What? All right, keep it real. She makes it look better than it already is. You're a lucky man.
Thank you.
Keep it real. Take care of that. The banana car. Nice. There it goes. Nice. How does she know I can't take care of her? What the hell is she supposed to know? What the hell? We just keep on it coming. Don't judge a man by his cover. You don't know what kind of girl I got, girl. What the hell's wrong with you? Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Look at that. You need someone to ride you, baby girl? I'm gonna walk up this way. You got the cookie girl. Everyone likes. Called Mike's. What is it? Mike's? What is it? Cheese buds. They don't have any lemonade, do they? French fries, bottled water. I mean, no lemonade. Wait a minute. Nope. It's monetized. Watch out. He can read it. He can read very good. You got the chocolate over there, chocolate chip. That's Playland. They're in the State Fair for the 15-year-old mine. So yeah, we're gonna end this extravaganza, I don't know, 11th or 12th video on the 24th of June. 2023 back to 50s. Oh, this is a nice one. Ooh, very, that one I'd buy just because it's a cool car. 651-338-8390. How much you want for it? 24,000? That'd be well spent. I'd buy it. I think cool as hell. Great car. Just do a little minor body work on it. There you go. There's your convertible. Another one of those. Oh, a Falcon. Look at that. I run down with so what, man? Beautiful. Nice. Yep. A lot of hard work here. People working hard on the vehicles. For sale. 1955 Chevy 218-410-3577. Nice. I like that convertible. That was nice. Chevy, nice. Rare. Oh yeah, it's a convertible. Put that top down, baby boy. Numbers do not match. Get the Corvette. But anyways.
Comes a gasser. Those are called. Drag racer.
So yeah, we're gonna work our way back down. I was kind of down here before last time, but I want to go down to the popcorn way up. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun. I mean, it was a beautiful day for it. I was able to use both cameras. Needed to pop out the DJI. Never had that up. You look at like it's a sex object or something. It's like, Jesus, calm down. So yeah, if you're ever in town, come to it, man. It's a great time. It's a great time to have by all. So we're gonna go get some kettle corn and go to the scoreboard. So the 24th day of June 2023. I've seen a lot of Thunderbirds out. Those are nice. Look at that bad boy.
We better get everyone in their cars.
I could have bought some more batteries. I saw two for $20 the other day, and I could just go all the way around. But you know, I think these kind of videos should be out there for people to watch, look back on. You know, some kid who was 18 years old discovers this video, can look at cars and maybe get excited to buy a car and do something with something like this. I was over here last time.
I want this with my purse.
What's my car doing out of my garage? I keep telling you guys.
That is my car.
You took it out of my garage last night. That is my
car. You want to argue about it?
No, please don't beat me up.
I won't beat you up. That's my car.
I like it. I know.
You mean you have one like it?
No, my next neighbor does.
Oh yeah, that's
I know two other people have exactly just like it.
Yep.
No, it's a nice vehicle. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. What year is it?
56.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're not gonna worry. It's not gonna happen. Very nice. You drive it a lot or not?
All the time.
I have a grandma's car. I have a PT Cruiser, 2008 convertible. So I call it my fade car, but I drive that all day long.
Oh, we drive it all.
Good for you. It's not. It's not a trailer queen, is it?
No, it's we trailered it like twice.
I understand. All right, young lady, take care of the car. Oh, she got mad there. I was like, Jesus, don't yell at me. Just keep joking around. But I think some rain's coming. So, what year is this car?
Mine.
What year is it?
Oh, 56.
Cool.
Yeah.
Would you buy it the way it looks, or?
Oh, I got it from my grandpa the way it looks.
Okay, cool.
His first high school.
I like it, man. It's original. No BS.
Thank you.
Have a good work. Take care of history. Good job. No, it's good, man. Got from his grandpa's like that, so look at that big bad boy up there. So, well, we're gonna go roll the dairy building. This is kind of cool. Kind of full circle. Got some over here. This is nice. I was only kidding, girl. I know it's not my vehicle. So anyways, we'll cruise over here. I think people are starting to pile out right now. I think rain's kind of coming, but it's been a great day to show cars and watch cars. So I've seen some Le Mans and stuff, but not a lot. So we'll go all the way to 1150, the final one. But again, thanks for the views, whatever else we did. Oh, that's nice. It's a Cutlass. Very nice. Good way to end the video. And I can feel a little rain coming, so a lot of people just kind of sit around bullshit. That's nice. We're gonna get some kettle core down here. So look at that bad boy, huh? So I kept it pretty much all at 10 minutes. One went over a little bit, but I wanted to keep it at 10 minutes and put a couple of my TikTok down the road, so we'll see what happens there. So hope you enjoyed it. I wasn't even gonna come out, but I saw it in the news and I read about it. I'm gonna come on over, and it turned out to be a nice day. So we'll go some kettle corn. Thank you very much for the views, and we'll continue on with other such behaviors.
Good idea.
All right, look at this bad boy. And we end it with my favorite color. There it is. All right, guys. There it is. At the 50s, 2023. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. 2024 is right around the corner. Bitch, please. I mean, bitch, please.